What's up, YouTube? So today we are going to be sanding the bed area down and then staining it. And give me a second here. We're going to be using Varathane Stain and Poly Early American Semi-Gloss. Stain and Protect in 1, so it says. So we'll see how it goes. It should look very nice once we get this all taken care of and hoopla and whatnot. It should look cool. It should come out very cool, and then we'll be done with this part of the bed frame. We also ordered our flooring. We're going with a Barnwood Allure grip strip from Home Depot. So hopefully that'll be here by the end of the week and we can put it in. I also ordered the corrugated metal that's going to be going up there and along the sides. So once those go in, then it's just a matter of finishing up everything and putting in plumbing, electric, and all that other kind of fun stuff, and buying some other fun toys for everything. So stay tuned and roll time lapse. So the stain is on. It looks pretty cool. And then we're gonna end up having some type of covering there. I haven't decided if we're gonna do a cloth or some type of like reclaimed wood type deal and screw it in, or what we'll be doing there. I also don't think I've shown you. Also haven't shown you guys our sink. So we picked up this utility sink. It's pretty big. I'm gonna end up trimming the feet or legs, whatever they are, down so that this will sit flush with that. It'll probably mount right over with that lip right there. I'll just have that come right on top of it. But we'll be able to wash clothes in there, do whatever we need to do, and it'll be nice and big. Keep stuff in it when we're moving. Coro can get bathed in it. Got the counter. Been looking at some paint for it. Also, this is going to be for our wet bath. I don't know how well we can see under there. We're going to reglaze it, get it all good to go. And finally, I got a 4-point harness from Tanica. As my new seatbelt. Also the other day, I think it was last night. Yeah, it was last night. I put this piece up here, trimmed it all up so that it's no longer looks funny when you walk right into the bus. And then what I ended up deciding to do here is the flooring will come up to here. This I'm just gonna put down plywood, and then put Herculiner all over that, so that this will all be one big giant Herculiner area. We're gonna come back and redo the Herculiner everywhere here, since we've been walking on it so much. Just put down another coat of it and clean it all up and make it look pretty. Oh, what else? So, while Brianna was doing some of the stuff, I got these off. And then I know a lot of people, it's one big giant hole. I don't have that. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm just gonna fiberglass it up in that spot, and then the two over there. And I'll probably be working on that in a little bit here. Just wanted to give you guys a update as far as, whoa, almost fell. What we're all doing. But it's coming together pretty nicely. Looks pretty good, I think. So yeah. I have this video up for you, and then I am going to be trying to do more videos. I'm going to try and do one like every other day, is my goal, is to have at least one new video every other day. And we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. If this is the first video you've seen, please subscribe, like it, and leave comments below on how you think that turned out. I think it looks really sharp. It looks really cool. We still got to go back and do some of the edges, but overall it looks great. So until next time, which will probably be the video I'm about to start shooting right now. I just wanted to get this footage starting to edit, because it'll take a little bit. So, out.